Yo, yo, yo. What's the dealio, y'all? What's the dealio, man? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling, man? You already know I got a straight banger for you. All right? Look, we got another live, man. All right? We got another live. Tap in, right? Let me know where y'all tapping in from. Okay? Like this video. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. Okay? Let me know where y'all tapping in from. Let me know where y'all tuning in from. Let me know who's in the building, man. Let me know who's in the building. All right? It's going to be a good live today. It's going to be a great live today, man. Okay? The market did what the market did today. Excuse me. The market went up. The market went crazy. And we're going to talk all about it like we always do. All right? So, let me ask y'all a question, okay? Let me ask y'all a question. Who hit IWM today? If you hit IWM today, let me know in the comments. All right? What up, Liz? She said 253 put, closed on March 10th, cost at open 230. Average 100 type 10 contracts, credit close 490. There we go, Liz. There we go. Right, this took almost an hour, but thanks to you holding the trade, I refuse to let it go until it dropped. Beautiful, Liz. Shout out to that. What was your profit? 260 profit. There we go. Bavik, what up? How you feeling? What up, Chaos? What up, Keisha? What up, Pamela? All the time that I was holding, I was thinking it was about your IWM training, and I finally have it. There we go. There we go, Liz. I love to hear that. What up, I am back. He said, I can't believe I'm the first like I'm here. What up, S. Dot? How you feeling? What up, Jason Williamson? What up, M Music, EMD Music? You know, hard work, but got him. There we go. Keisha 3 times. What's up, Sneaker Girl? Kenny Javon, what's the dealio? What up, Johnny? What up, Doc? Alchemist, how you feeling? All right, listen, y'all. Look, we gotta increase the energy, okay? If y'all are watching this right now, if y'all are tuned in, be sure to like this video, all right? Let's get this video right here to 300 likes, all right? If y'all tapping in, if this YouTube channel is valuable, then be sure to like this video, all right? As we come in, let's make sure we get these likes up, all right? I come and I give you videos every single day, all right? Every single day I'm giving you guys life-changing videos, life-changing information, all right? I'm giving you guys levels. I'm giving you guys trade setups. I'm giving you guys entries. I'm giving you guys price targets, take profit, right? We spending an hour and a half, 2 hours together every day. So be sure to like this video, y'all. All right? Let's get them likes up. What up, Best Beezy? He said tapping in from Dirty Jers. That's wild. That's crazy work. What up, Newbie Maddie? What up, Henry? He said, I hit him, didn't get cooked. There we go. What up, Money Mike? He got on the IWM train. There we go. What up, Turnpike? Leela, what up? She said, I love the schedule we have at TPC. What up? Yeah, we do have like a legit schedule. We trade together. Then you go on your own and trade. We'll call out some trades throughout the day. And then what? Marcel goes live before market close. And then I post a video. And then I go live at night, and we just keep doing it over and over and over again, right? So yeah, we got a system. You know what I'm saying? We got a schedule. So Best Beezy, 135 on IW. There we go. Did you post it in Discord? What up, Option Strike Force? What up, Kelton? How you feeling? Committed Girl, what up? What up, Moni? How you feeling, Strat Queen? Dougie Fresh, what up, bro? What up, Dar? What up, TDW? How you feeling? He said Youngstown. What up, Sublimination? Chandra, what's up? How you feeling? What up, KDH? I don't know how I found you, but I'm glad I did. Hey, I'm glad you did too, Jason. What up, Tia? How you been? How you been, Tia? What up, QTZ? The one and only QTZ. All right. So listen, y'all, we about to get it popping. All right. Hey, roll call. Who got y'all IWM juice on deck, man? If you ain't got your IWM juice on deck, man, go to the refrigerator. Go get your IWM juice on deck. I told you guys. People ask me, how am I able to call out IWM the way I do, right? So I started coming on and I started, sharing the juice that I was drinking. And I told everybody, if you want to hit IWM the way I do, you got to go get the IWM juice, right? So my IWM juice is, pure pomegranate juice. It got the antioxidants, okay? So we're going to take a sip of the IWM juice right now, and then we're going to get started. But this is how I call crazy bangers on IWM every single day, all right? All right? So listen, if you want to smack IWM, you got to power up. You got to clear your mind. You got to get this IWM juice. All right? So that's that. All right? What up, Drew? Shout out to Douglasville. What's up, Eleanor? How you been, Eleanor? How you been? What up, Big Dog Physique? Smacked out of market today. What up, Davita? What up, Reggie? I keep missing the pre-market calls. I don't miss them. Don't miss them, sneaker girl. I saw that circle though. What's up, Chris Connor? Said boss him yesterday. There we go. I do got that juice. Okay. What is IWM juice? See? Hey, listen, you gotta tap in. You know what I'm saying? IWM juice. Pure pomegranate juice is the official sponsor of IWM juice. Okay? If you want to smack IWM and you want to get big profits, then you got to go to the store and you got to get you some pure pomegranate juice. And this is what we call the IWM juice. All right? So that's the official sponsor of trading IWM. All right? That Kroger version. No, we cannot get the Kroger version. Listen. Listen. If y'all go to Kroger and get pomegranate juice, you gonna lose 80% on your trades. That's what the Kroger that's what the Kroger juice gonna do to you. All right, because that's gonna be that high fructose corn syrup. We don't drink high fructose corn syrup over here. All right. Don't listen, Alchemist. Nah, don't be cheap. Don't be cheap. You know what I'm saying? What's IWM? It's a stock that we trade, Jason. The bootleg Aldi brand. Nah, Reggie. You don't want your profits to be bootleg. All right. Hey, Doug. Now I like other flavors. I like the grape juice. I like the pineapple. I like the aloe vera. Yeah, I like other ones. But I be fooling with y'all, so I like to just show the pomegranate. But I got the grape juice. I got the pineapple ginger one. All them joints. What up, Money Dolphin? A-Dub smacked SPY calls 144%. Right? Nah, you gotta get the juice, bro. You gotta get the juice. Juice said IWM juice is for closers. Hey, exactly. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Michael Cook? All right. What up, Wise? Yeah, you got to get the Lakewood. The feeling I had today watching the fair value got fill and reject, just like you said. A true light bulb moment. Thanks, Isiah, gaining confidence in my trades more and more. There we go. Let's go, Keisha. All right. So look, listen, y'all. Like this video and let's get it cracking. All right. So look. Excuse me. Look. Yo, P. Bryant, what up? I'm going to have to break down and get some. I was passing because I saw it was pasteurized, but I'm going to join the team. Let's go. If you want to buy a pomegranate and juice it, you can too. Right? Yeah, that pineapple and ginger is good. Just get the one with no concentrate. All right. Tanveris, what's up? So look, y'all, there's a reason why I trade IWM every day, okay? There's a reason why I trade IWM every day. All right. So first off, let me break. We're gonna do a recap real quick, okay? We're gonna do a recap. Y'all know we like doing the recaps. Why do we do the recaps? Because I like to show you guys exactly what I said was gonna happen and show you guys what happens. So you guys know I ain't cap. All right? Nothing, what they say ain't no cap in my rap. All right? So watch this. First off, what did I say yesterday was going to happen, y'all? Tell me in the comments what I said was going to happen yesterday. What did I say what to look out for yesterday? Pop quiz. What did I say yesterday about IWM to look out for? What's up, Black Pearl? Hey, blueberry juice is good. I got to find some. Hit that 100% IWM profit juice today. There we go. There we go, Michael. Bang, bang. Let's get it. So what did I say was going to happen on IWM today? What did I say to look out for? They're going to get that pomegranate juice cocktail and wonder why the trade doesn't work. Yeah, hey, no cocktail. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, retest, order block, gap fills. Okay. 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 I see y'all. I see y'all. What else? Campers, yep. Yep. Okay. Okay. So watch this, right? Watch this. Check this out, y'all. They're going to make us go up and sellers will come in. Be careful. There we go, close 9 JP. Exactly, right? DeVita said sellers. Gap fill rejection. Okay. All right, cool. So watch this, right? So watch. This morning, right, I said IWM game plan right here. On a 30-minute, you can see the range we in, right? I said we are in the middle of a ton of buyers and sellers, so we can see some up and down motion in this area, so be cautious and be careful. On a 2-hour, if we get above 253.89, you can enter in the calls, and we'd be above the area liquidity, which means we took out sellers on the 2-hour. I said, but keep in mind, we have sellers camped out up until 258.87. Even if you enter in the calls, you could get a crazy rejection today, so don't be surprised if that happens. All right, if you see profit, take profit today, right? Don't be greedy. So I posted this, which was the range, right? Then I posted this one on the 2-hour. Then I posted this on the daily, right? Okay? Okay. Now, and then look, I said later on in the day, I said a failed 2 up on a 30-minute. If we break below the low of the failed 2 up, you could take entry and you could write it down to the bullish fair value gap to get some liquidity. That level is 255, which was the initial breakout resistance level, okay? So I posted this and I said if we get below the failed 2 up, take entry and you can write it down here, right? This was at 11:02. At 11:10, took profits, and look, it did exactly what I just told everybody to do. 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, a quick snipe. All right, right here. Bang, bang. All right? So now we go to IWM, and let's see what they did. Look at this right here, y'all. I told y'all what to look out for. I told you guys what to look out for. Go to the 30-minute. Look at that. I told y'all we had a fair value gap on the daily. I said we could definitely have a rejection. We need to get above here in order to really be going up. I said, be careful. And look what happened, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. Come on now. Come on now. Do you guys see what's going on here? I told you guys the whole play. Some of y'all caught these calls above the resistance. That's cool. And then rejection up here. Whoppers. Okay? I gave y'all the whole play. I gave you guys the whole play. I gave y'all the whole play, y'all. I gave you guys the play yesterday and this morning in the Discord. Right? I gave you guys, I'm saying it one more time. I gave you guys the heads up before it happened. I told y'all what to look for. Did I not? Did I not tell you guys what to look for? Did I not tell you guys what to look for yesterday before the market opened? Before we went to bed and rested our little heads? Did I not tell you guys what to look for today? Did I not? This morning, did I not tell you to be on the lookout for a rejection? Did I not? I'm saying this so that you guys could really understand the power of not only trading, understanding IWM, understanding liquidity, right? Having somebody that you could learn from and follow that knows what they are talking about. I am telling this to you guys every day before it happens. And then it does exactly what I say. How can you guys not make money following what I'm telling you? How can you not make money, y'all? How can you not make money following what I'm telling you guys at this point? Right? How can you not make money? All you have to do is pay attention to what I'm saying. At this point, I am an IWM master. Okay? If you want to master IWM and you want to learn how to trade IWM and turn a little bit of money into a lot of money over time, all you have to do is learn how to trade IWM, learn how to trade the strat method, and I promise you, you can change your life. Right? I'm telling y'all, okay? Jason, I put the link in the chat if you want to join the Discord, okay? I just want to know how many times do I need to say this? Every day I show you guys what I said before the market opened. We recap what I said the last night on the last night's live, and then it does exactly what I said it does. Come on, y'all. All right. So I showed y'all what IWM did. Okay. I broke down what we called. All right. So now what happens? We go in, boom, we got Walt smacking IWM 20%. And then what we got, 59%, couple racks on the day, whoppers. What emails? Email said 340 profit on IWM today. Okay, 340 profit, showing us what they bought it for. Look at this, 300% on, y'all see this? 300% on IWM. Silly. This is absolutely insane, y'all. All right. What we got? 103% on Google. Come on, y'all. What we doing over here? 33%, 9%, 25% on IWM. Devonna, I don't know what the percentages was, but she doing her thing. Ronald, $87 on IWM. Trey Ban, he about to get him some veneers pretty soon. Right? He's saving up for his veneers. IWM gonna pay for his veneers. Right? 65%. 472%, y'all. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? 472%, y'all. Right? Leela, consistent, 43%. Come on. Murder in a day, 175 on a day. Come on now. This ain't a game out here. Shout out to Leela. Right? Optimal, 252%, y'all. Look at that. 45%. Right? What we got? Keisha, 70%. 31%. Alchemist wanted to cheat on IWM. He went over to Spy. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, though. 81%. 13%. We got Doc, 20%. 1,500 on Google. NVIDIA, 71%. Come on now. 1,200 on a day. Let's go. On Google. 123% on QQQ. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I'm showing you guys multiple 100, 200, 300% profits every day. 1,400 on QQQ. He said $23.94 in total for today. Psh, come on now. 910 profits for today, Curtis. That was earlier. And then later on, he came back and said 2,300. Let's go. Keisha, another 177%. Look, she said real quick. She said real quick. How do you real quickly make 177%? Come on, y'all. 12%, 28% on Google. 3 trades, a rack on a day. Let's go, Natalie. 11% on Apple. 66%. 54%. 22% on QQQ. We got 36% one trade. Look at that. Boom. Right? What we got? How much percentage wise? I don't know what the percentage is, but shout out to Glass Half Filled. Circle. $400 on Circle. Strat method. Y'all see the chart? Strat method charts. 4-hour time frame. How can you lose? Right? Look at Ash. 180% on Google. 37% on Intel. What are we doing? 22% on IWM. 6% account growth. What are we doing, y'all? 142% on SPY. Look at that. Look at that. 26 hundo. Come on, y'all. 142%. What are we doing here, y'all? 91%, 74%. Come on, y'all. 36% on NVIDIA. Come on, y'all. Look. $564. Shout out to Kenny Javon. 23% on Google. 78%. Come on, y'all. 102%, y'all, on IWM calls. 19% IWM, 26% NVIDIA. Right? 28%. 170% on HIMS. Come on, y'all. We do this every day, man. All right? So listen. Whole squad going crazy. All right? Whole squad going crazy, y'all. All right? Whole squad go crazy. All right? Lazaire. Hey, I'm telling you, we the truth. Got to get those pearly whites. Yeah, dude, justified not. I'd be like, you doubt me, find a review below. Hey, man, we ate good today, man. All right. So listen, this is how we get down every day. All right. We're showing 100+% gains in the stock market every day. And I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about community members. All right? Community members, y'all. This is how we change lives. All right? So let's go over SPY, and this is just people that posted. We got way more members than that, but obviously, not everybody going to post their profits. Okay? So, now let's go and let's look at some levels, and let's go break this stuff down real quick. All right? Let's look at some levels and let's break this stuff down. Okay. Now, what I will say is before we look at the levels and before we break this stuff down, I need you guys to understand something. All right. I need y'all to understand something. Let me show you guys this real quick. Okay. This is what y'all need to understand. Tomorrow, what do we have? We got CPI. Okay? We got CPI, y'all. What is CPI? Consumer Price Index. Consumer Price Index, y'all. What does this mean? What this means is we talking about inflation, right? What's happening with the consumers? Are they being affected by the economy? Are we going to be bullish or bearish tomorrow? That's the real question. You get what I'm saying? This is how we going to see what's about to happen tomorrow. All right? So tomorrow, before the market opens, we going to see what the data is, and then we going to see what's going to happen and how the market is going to react to it. Okay? So, with that being said, everything that I'm saying today off these levels, it could change in the morning, right? Nothing that I say is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, go talk to a licensed financial advisor, okay? So, I just want to say that, all right? Now, like I said, we got CPI tomorrow. We are either going to gap up or we're either going to gap down. I don't know what's going to happen. It's going to be one or the other. All right? Now, if you guys are watching this, be sure to like this video, okay? Let's get the likes up. If you're watching this, like this video and subscribe to the channel. All right? So, let's go to SPY and let's break this down real quick. All right. So we got SPY on a daily. Now, price action is telling us it's coming down because we got to retrace all of this to balance out, right? Look at this. Where could we be coming to? SPY is going to come down to 673 to 671 tomorrow. Now, why is it going to do that? Because we got a fair value gap to fill right here that we haven't really filled, right? So I know for a fact at some point tomorrow or Thursday, we're going to come down here, even if it's just a bounce, okay? But on the daily, we are on a failed to up, okay? We are on a failed to up. So like I say, we could gap down tomorrow or we could gap up tomorrow, okay? Gap up or gap down, okay? So what I'm going to say is, first things first, we're going to say puts below 674.76. Okay? First thing first is going to be puts below 674.76, okay? This is the first level right here that I want you guys to pay attention to. All right? We're on a failed 2 up. Now, let's go to the 30-minute real quick. Let me see something. I want y'all to pay attention to this area right here. So I'm going to give y'all this right here. So a rejection level. All right. So your rejection level, SPY has to get above 679.67. Okay? If SPY pops up and it cannot get above 679.67, it's going to reject and it's going to come down. Okay? So that's going to be your rejection level. All right? Now, if we start to come up, then what we going to do, we're going to say calls above 683.40. Okay? Calls above 683.40. All right? Calls above 683.40. All right, and then we could come up to 686.69. All right, we could come up to 686.69. All right, so that's your breakdown on SPY. That's your levels on SPY. Make sure you guys write these levels down. Okay, I'm gonna leave the screen shown for a second so y'all can write those levels down. Let me know if that makes sense on SPY, y'all. Let me know if that makes sense on SPY. Okay? Let me know. I want to make sure. Talk to me. Y'all got that? I had to run right quick, but my percentage on IWM was 113. There we go, Liz. That's beautiful. Ikiche, what up? Are you still in Barcelona or what? One more time, Isaiah, in one sentence, please. You got to spell the name right, Cyrus. You know what I'm saying? You got to spell the name right, bro. You feel me? Isiah. Y'all feel me? That's how we spell that name. All right? Ikiche just got back to DC. Oh, okay. Got you. Hey, glad you made it back safe, bro. All right? What up, Patrick? How you feeling? All right. So everybody, it's time to take a sip, and we about to talk about IWM now, okay? So if y'all got y'all IWM juice, be sure to take a sip, and let's get it popping. All right? Now we're going to talk about IWM. Okay? He said he was typing too fast. Hey, it's all love. Hey, if you guys are watching this video, y'all, and you have not, you know what I'm going to say, man. Like this video. All right? Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Look, we call way too many bangers every day. Every single day, we call way too many bangers. You see what I'm saying? So let's make sure we like this video and we subscribe to the channel so we could keep the motion going. All right, we about to talk about IWM next. All right. What up, Trapeze? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? I know it's that first hour be cooking me. My best trades be later on in the day with less stress. Nah, real talk, close. Real talk. Miss Reese, how you doing? Miss Reese. How you doing? I saw you going crazy today. She said coming to the stage. Let's go. All right, let's go over IWM now, y'all. IWM, IWM. Let's see. All right, so first things first. All right, called a banger today, y'all. Down to the T. Gave everybody the play, gave everybody the setup. Today was another success. So now we created this right here. So first things first, the gap got filled. We got some liquidity. Okay. So we're going to say rejection area. Rejection area is going to be between 253.48 and 255.32. All right. So we're going to try to come up in this area, y'all. We can reject here. And then if we cannot get above 255.32, we're going to come down. Okay? If we cannot get above 255.32, we are going to come down. All right? So that's the first thing to pay attention to. Okay? Now look at this wick, y'all. This is a lot of sellers right here. This is a lot of sellers right here, okay? So what we're going to say is, we're going to say puts below 252.39. Okay? Puts below 252.39. All right? If we come down and we break below 252.39, then we can definitely come down to 251.83, but then we could be coming down about 248. All right? 248, we could also come down to 250. Okay? And if we break below there, then we got an order block down here at 244. I don't think we're going to come down that low, but you never know. So you just got to be ready for whatever. All right? So, but we need to get above that 255.32, like I said. If we can't get above there, then we're not going back up higher. If we can get above there, then we're going to retest today's high. And if we get above today's high, then we could come higher. Okay? But there's still going to be sellers in this area. So we have to make sure that we are aware of that. There's going to be heavy and strong selling pressure. All right? So let me know if that makes sense, y'all. If that makes sense on IWM, let me know. All right? Slippery day for me. Hey, why was it a slippery day? Should have been smooth. Appreciate that, Miss Reese. Now, you did your thing today. 200% on IWM is amazing. Okay, Jay Skrilla. Be safe driving, dog. All right? Let's see what we got. There we go. She said tracking makes sense. Sure does. Okay, that it does. Check mark. All right. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So, we went over. I haven't gotten a Discord yet. Hey, get in, Trapezy. What you waiting on, bro? What you waiting on, dog? You wasting time. You wasting money by not being in the Discord. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hey, Henry hit you with the DMX. You said it was a slippery day, man. He played that DMX, man. He said you was slipping. You was falling. You couldn't get up. You was slipping. You was falling. You couldn't get up. You know what I'm saying? Don't be like DMX, dog. Don't be like DMX, bro. Come on now. Come trade with us so you don't slip and fall. You feel me? It's costing you to not be in a Discord. It's costing you to not be in a Discord. All right? You losing out on money. You losing out on bread. All right? Straight up. I'm telling y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. Okay? So, E Rose. What's up, E Rose? All right. So now that we went over SPY, and now that we went over IWM, what we about to do now, y'all? Put it in the comments. What we about to do, y'all? Talk to me. What we about to do? What's about to happen? I think I saw that Cat Williams joint. I think I saw like the first 30 minutes, and then I had to do something, and I haven't finished it. But the most recent Cat Williams one I saw, Mike Epps' stand-up comedy, most recent one, is actually funny and hilarious as well. Very hilarious, actually. I think I love Mike Epps. I love Mike Epps. I am back said he gonna be like yep. Like, nah, facts, I'm back. Hey, everybody who said that, everybody who joins the Discord, they always say they wish they would have joined earlier. Every single person at this point. Because a lot of people be thinking that they could do it on their own. But when you come in, you actually amplify your profits faster. And these are facts, right? You could be making $200 a day. You join a Discord, you're gonna learn how to make $500 a day like that. Right? Because the way that we trade, it's just nasty. We got a system for trading, and anybody could learn this skill set. All right? Anybody could learn how to do this. You just got to be willing to lock in, and you got to be willing to focus. All right? Do I mess with Michael Blackson? Yeah, I think Michael Blackson is cool. I think he'd be like a little bit. I think Michael Blackson tries to be funny. And I think like Mike Epps is funny. Yeah. He said Mike Epps is my favorite comedian. I would say mine too. Current day. You know what I'm saying? I really rock with Mike Epps. I think he funny. Right? Real talk. Billy, what up, Billy? He said True made $7K my first month. You see what I'm saying? Billy make like $1,000 every day, damn near. Almost every day I see him posting like 1,000 on a day. So, you know what I'm saying? We got the 9 to 5. We missed the morning Discord, but do you send out signals? Yeah, Michael Cook. I showed y'all I signal IWM earlier. I mean, later on in the day. Right? Absolutely. Michelle said the Discord is a blessing. I appreciate that, Michelle. Right? Anybody second guessing the Discord, step out on faith. You will not regret it. Hey, listen. I'm not telling anybody to say any of this stuff. Right? This is just what people are saying on a consistent basis. Right? So, let's go fishing, y'all. Let's go fishing and let's go find some setups. All right? Let's go find some setups, y'all. All right? Let me do this. So, I will definitely be joining very soon. Let's go back, Pac Zo. Let's get it, man. Miss Reese said, I made my money back today. Facts. When did you join, Miss Reese? Let's see what she say. When did you join? Lots of good people and mentors in the Discord. Yep. Straight up. Just joined the Discord today. Olay, let's get it. Let's get it. Said the Discord is life. I have a job, still come in, get money 5 to 10 minutes every day. 5 wins straight so far. There we go. There we go. How much is monthly to Discord? It is it's $150 a month. All right, if you want to join, there's a link. All right. So y'all see Miss Reese, she said she joined yesterday and she made her money back today. You see what I'm saying? She joined yesterday and she made her money back today, y'all. That's how we get down. All right, that's how we get down. So be sure, man, come lock in, come tap in with us. I could teach this to anybody. We could teach this to anybody. It don't matter your age. I don't care about none of that. You got a full-time job, I don't care. You could do this stuff. All right? So don't cheat yourself, treat yourself, man. Come change your life. All right? And if y'all watching this, be sure to like this video because you know I give you guys levels and I give you guys setups every single day. All right? I'm about to give y'all some setups right now. I gave y'all some setups yesterday. If you took the trades, you made the money, right? You can make money off of this YouTube channel. All right? We do this every single day, man. I have not missed a day in over a year. Over a year. I've been dropping daily videos over a year, y'all. I have not missed one day. Not one day have I missed. And ever since I started going live every day in the evening time, haven't missed one day, y'all. Haven't missed one day. Right? Man with the Vision Network said he joined last night. There we go. Did you hit IWM with us or what? Most of us have full-time jobs and print money daily. Now Ash said it. Right? They make it, they doubling up on their bread. Good job paying them bread. Get into the market, grow their money. By the end of the year, we talking people gonna be sitting on 2, 3, 4, 500,000 cash. Cash. Come on now. There's people in the Discord that they making 90, 100K a year, 50K a year, 70K a year, growing their trading account, making the extra. They matching their salary. It's people that this year they're gonna match what their salary is in the market. They're going to be up. Right? They're going to be up. right? Because the way that we teach it, anybody can do this. Everybody says the same thing. I now get it because of how you guys teach it. Everybody says the same thing, y'all. All right? Setting some profits to the side from our, let's go, Henry. Let's go. All right? So, let's go fishing, y'all. Let's go fishing. So, now, like I said, what did I say? Tomorrow, what do we have? We have CPI, okay? We have CPI. So, we're going to gap up or we're going to gap down. Okay? I want you guys to keep that in mind. So, every setup that I'm going to give you is going to be predicated on what CPI does tomorrow. Does the market gap up? Does the market gap down? We don't know. All right. Chris Connor, I would restart my computer. I would take Discord off and I would put it back on and then it should work. All right. That part is amazing. Been consistently winning since I joined. Y'all see that? Been consistently winning since I joined. It's people coming to TPC, man, and what do? They get rid of all their other memberships. They be like, I don't need nothing else. Because we don't just call plays. We don't gatekeep and we give everything, y'all. That's what I need you guys to understand. This is not a community that only calls out plays. This is a community that cares about your progression and teaches you what you need to know so that you can do this on your own. And not only are we going to be the wealthiest community, we're going to be the healthiest community. The healthiest community. The community with the best energy, right? That's really a really important thing to understand, right? So appreciate that. I am back. Once I understood a pull gap, it all came together. Yep, the money is in a pullback. It's not, you don't buy at the height and then hope it goes higher. You wait for the pullback and then you catch that retracement, right? Quinn said, I've been in Discord for almost a year, learning the strat and focusing on IWM has changed the game for me. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Quinn just doubled his account in the last, 30 days. Pete Bryant, what did he say? Making $100 a day before 12 while driving trucks. He said, join the Discord, everyone, let's go. How much would I need in my account to start trading? And where should I open my trading account? I would say open it with Webull, and you could start with like 500. You could start with 300 if you want, but I would say at least $500 to $1,000. All right. Okay, so let's go find some setups now. Uh-oh, if futures are green, man, it's going to be a crazy day tomorrow. So let's go, man. So Nvidia, we in this order block, but if we bullish on data, then Nvidia should definitely pump. Okay. XYZ, APLD, MVO. Enphase went crazy today. Rocket Lab, play games. Netflix. Shopify is on a bearish 1 bar. Ooh. Intel, they had a nice move today. Celsius. QQQ, they could not close above this level right here. So they got Tech is still, in a little bit of trouble. They got to close above 612. AMD looking bearish. Google, they came up and came down, but we're right where buyers are at. We got Amazon. We got Hood. We got Hims. Fell to that up again. We got Lululemon. I'm seeing a ton of fell to ups, y'all. And look, y'all. Ooh. Hey, what did I say on the watch list, everybody? What did I tell y'all? I said OKLO could do what? It could retest 60, 63, 56, right? 63, 56. What did it do? Where did it come up to, y'all? Where did it come up to today? Where did it reject that? 63.45. 63.45. And then what did it do? It rejected on a daily. Then it came all the way down to 61. So tomorrow I'm going to look at OKLO to retrace all of this. And then I'm going to look for them to come all the way down here to $51. So I'm going to look at OKLO to the downside. Okay. Look, I told y'all, look, y'all think I'll be playing, huh? See, some of y'all think this is a game. Some of y'all think this is a game, y'all. Look. What'd I say? What I say right here, y'all? What did I say? What did I say? I said we could come up to retest 59.75 and 63.56. So be on the lookout for a pop-up to retest those levels before we drop down to $51. I told you guys, and look where it rejected at. Are y'all hearing me? Are y'all really hearing me? Do y'all understand what I'm saying? What up, Trent? Trent Buy Buildings, how you feeling? A hot 500. What else we got? GoPro, go over Spy. I already went over Spy smacking. You got to watch the replay. A double beat on Oracle. Yeah, we got to see what's up. Alibaba. Maybe I'll go over that. Sounds like, yeah, definitely a whopper. Okay. Yeah, Oracle, I'm going to be looking at Oracle on an earnings reaction. Okay. So I like that OKLO put situation. Okay. All I need is Tesla, Meta, and a stop loss. Volatility is how you grow and count fast. I mean, yeah, Plant. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's great. Again, I really appreciate you doing these lives every single day. Much love. I appreciate that, Chris Connor. Okay. So let's go back to the charts, y'all. All right, let's go back to the charts. What else we got? What else we got? We got OKLO. We got Dell. Dell got a whole bunch of liquidity. They're trying to go up, but they're not going up. Nike. Affirm. Apple. Apple. Well, Apple. They had a green day, so I would be looking at Apple. If we can get above these sellers right here, then we're gonna be good money. Okay. We got Oracle on the earnings beat, so I'm gonna be looking at Oracle. 180. We could go up to 182 tomorrow. Okay. Who else we got? We got Palantir. Okay, so they came down. Who else we got? We got Uber. Uber is on a 1 bar. I love this setup right here. We got this 1 bar right here. If we drop below this 1 bar, then we coming down all the way down here. So we got Uber on a 1 bar bearish. Okay. Who else we got? We got Carvana. We got Tesla. We got SoFi. We got Lyft. We got CoreWeave. CoreWeave don't really look like it could come up. It looked like it trying to come down, but we are at this order block, so we got to see what happens. We got Meta. We got Tesla, look like they coming down. We got CrowdStrike. We got Adobe. We got SMCI, PanW, VRT, MRK, Google. Marvell went crazy today. I called Marvell yesterday on that 212, and it did its thing today. We got AVGO. Look at AVGO, y'all. Failed to up. We got liquidity all the way down to 327. So I'm going to put AVGO on here. Failed to up plus liquidity grab. All right. SoundHound. Who else we got? UAL. They look like they could be coming down some more. Who else we got? IBM. We got ANET. Gold. FedEx. FedEx came down crazy. They was just at 380. Look at them. They came down like crazy. Lockheed Martin. Taiwan Semiconductors look like they coming down. Okay, they could be coming right back down. XOM Mobile. They could be coming down as well. If Exxon gets below 146, they could be coming down pretty substantially as well. This looks like it's going into a distribution phase, and they about to start coming down into a downtrend. So XOM Mobile could be in a downtrend. They could come back down to like 120, right? So that's something to pay attention to as well. Um, who else we got? Who else we got? UNH. MU. Who else we got? This is Tempest. Duolingo. Reddit. IONQ. Iran. Iran look like they want to come down off this fail 2 up and this rejection right here. So that's what I'm seeing on Iran. What's up, Dr. Natalie? Let me look at BAC. I haven't been looking at BAC. A smacking 24. I already went over SPY and you spelled my name tremendously wrong. Okay? Let's make sure we spelling my name right, all right? So look, y'all, real quick. The name of the YouTube channel is my name, okay? There is no Y in my name, okay? All you got to do is look at the YouTube channel name and use that way of spelling my name, and that's how you address me, all right? Let's make sure we respect the spelling of the name, y'all. If you want to get my attention, you're not going to get it by spelling my name wrong, all right? Make sure we pay attention and spell my name right, okay? So, what else we got? QBTS. Who else we got? Oscar. QUBT. Datadog. Net. U is on a 1 candle. Silver. Walmart. Walmart looks like they're about to drop. Hold on. So it's a lower high potentially, but a lower low. Well, we gotta see. CVX. Yeah, CVX could be coming down too. Cores. Verizon. Verizon doing the same thing it's been doing. SYK. Let's go to BAC. They're in an interesting place right now. BAC, they need to get above 49.34 to really be able to go up. So I would just pay attention in this area. They could reject anywhere in this area. Okay. So listen, y'all. So what I'm seeing, what up, Stoic Trader? How you feeling? All right. What is the indicator that you have ATR levels? SATY ATR levels. That's the indicator. So what I'm seeing in the market, y'all, I'm seeing a lot of bearish setups. Okay. I'm seeing a ton of bearish setups, but You know, futures are green. We don't know what the data is going to do, right? So tomorrow we have to really see what happens with this price action. Okay? What do I always say? Price action is what you trade. You don't trade what you think. You don't trade the news. You trade price action. Okay? So therefore, let's make sure tomorrow we are trading price action. Okay? So if their volume was down, they're probably getting ready to make a move, because look, CPI is inflation, right? What this means is Walmart could have a big day tomorrow, because if inflation comes back one way or the other, Walmart investors may say we want to get rid of Walmart. We want to get out of Walmart, or we want to buy into Walmart if inflation is good. If it's bad, then that means the economy is going bad. And then we going to, you know what I'm saying? We're going to get out of Walmart, and then their stock could come down. Okay? So pay attention to Walmart. All right, I like it. The financial sector is rotating next up. Yeah, we're going to see. I like to see what happens. Right? Sellers lurking. Yeah, protect right. Protect y'all necks, man. All right. So like I say, I'm seeing a lot of bearish setups, right? Even though the market is, they're saying that the futures are green, and we've been green yesterday, and today we came up, right? Today I see a lot of bearish setups. I saw a lot of rejections. Okay? I saw a lot of rejections. Okay? So that's just something to keep in mind. So even if we're green, you guys have to pay attention to where you see order blocks at and where you see areas of liquidity. Okay? So what I'm going to say is, you guys need to make sure you guys are paying attention to pre-market. Okay? Tomorrow, the levels are we're going to gap up, or we're going to gap down. Okay? If the market doesn't gap up or gap down at all, and there's not like a real big move, then we're going to go in the direction of what the price action tells us off the daily time frame. Okay? Keep that in mind. If there's no move in pre-market, then we're going to continue to go in the original direction, and it's looking bearish. All right? So, key shit. I hope we come down for another month and a half. You know what I'm saying? And stocks go down 30, 40, 50%. All right? So, yeah, order blocks and areas of liquidity. So, if you guys want to make sure that you guys, get the pre-market levels, be sure to join the Discord, because tomorrow morning things are going to look different than where they're at right now, and what they look like right now. All right. So make sure that you guys tap in, and make sure that you guys are locked in. Okay. Am I in puts? No, but I like to day trade puts, and I like to see stocks go down so I could just get in the 3-month out swings and just ride a stock up and do nothing and make money, right? It doesn't necessarily set the stage for bearish setups. It just gives us a little, a pop or a drop in a direction. It just gives us volatility. You know what I'm saying? Nice gap down, a retest would be nice. Nah, for real. Now, here's also what I'll say as well, y'all. When you have data days, the best thing to trade, honestly, y'all, the best thing to trade when we have data is what? Tell me, what's the best thing to trade when we have data, y'all? Not leaps. Oh, if stocks go down, yeah, leaps. But what's the best thing to trade if we have data? On a day that we have data, what's the best thing to trade? Let me see if y'all know. Let me see if y'all paying attention to what I be saying. What is it, y'all? There we go. ETFs, indexes, exactly. Right? Exactly. She said, I don't know. Exactly. So Leela, right? The best thing to trade for the best thing to trade when you have data is an ETF, an index, zero data expirations. Okay? This is where you get 500%, 1,000% trades. And don't let it be in the afternoon. You could go take $100 and turn it to $1,000 in 30 minutes. No cap. So yeah, y'all. Okay. Tomorrow I'm looking at IWM and Oracle. And I like OKLO. Okay. Every day we're getting 100% plus inside of IWM, inside of the Discord. With or without data, we're getting hundreds of percent. All right. So I'll stick with IWM, so I'm good. I've been doing 1 day to expiration. Ain't nothing wrong with that, Leela. When you get better, you're going to start doing 0 days. You know what I'm saying? And you're going to start making even more money. So it's only a matter of time for you, Leela. So shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? I love how you be approaching it. You know what I'm saying? You be calm. You be doing your thing. You got a system. Shout out to that. Shout out to you. Keep doing it. You know what I'm saying? This is only the beginning for you. Real talk. So I love trading indexes. I used to not, but once I learned how to do it and once I really got in my groove and I got in my bag, I focused on IWM and we've been locked in on IWM ever since, y'all. All right, we've been locked in on IWM ever since. Okay? So, with that being said, y'all, what we gonna do is we are going to get up out of here. Last thing, let me say, if y'all are watching this video still, be sure to like this video, okay? Be sure to like this video, all right? And subscribe to the channel, okay? Summoning the eye. Let's go, Ms. Reese. Nah, for sure, Leela. So let me go over this real quick one more time. All right, I told you, I said OKLO, okay? I like Uber, AVGO, Oracle for earnings. All right. I'm going to be paying attention to them in pre-market. All right, so that's who I'm paying attention to. And then also, like I always say, IWM. All right. Generally speaking, do you wait for the news to be digested before getting into a trade? Sometimes you could catch a trade, you know what I'm saying, when we have that volume and then we could go. But usually, yeah, I'll wait a little bit. I'll wait for the news to kind of be digested. But it also depends on what it is, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes all you're gonna get is a move on a 30-minute time frame and that's it. And then it may retrace, so it does depend. Right? You still getting those out of money contracts. I've been finding myself doing that a lot, but getting closer to in the money for a better profit. I'm doing like 1 to 2 levels out of the money on IWM. Like 1 to 2 levels out of the money. Hey, these jackets be trying to make me look fat. You know what I'm saying? Because they got the thing right here. It be looking like I got a big old belly. You know what I'm saying? That's why I got to sit up. I don't want nobody getting nothing twisted. You know what I'm saying? Jason Williamson. Hey, nah, for sure, Jason Williamson. All right. Dr. Natalie, she said, if you're not in the Discord, come join. Isaiah's amazing. He and Marcel will help you. Yep, dial in your trading habits. Yeah. Yeah. That's what it's about. Helping you guys be better, do better, have more, all of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? I really, really want to see y'all win, man. I really, really, really want to see y'all win, man. I don't think you guys understand how much I want to see y'all win. I want to see y'all win so much. I literally show up every single day, 2 times a day, to try to pour into you guys, to help you guys do what y'all do. Okay? So please, man, take this stuff serious and let's make this happen. Met Lord, no, we don't share our screen. You got to follow along. But we have a whole course. We got a curriculum. We have study sessions weekly as well. Okay? We have study sessions weekly as well. We do not hold back. We also do not gatekeep. All right? We do not want you to depend on us. We do not want you to rely on us. We actually teach you the game so that you can go and you can go do this thing on your own if you want to. Okay? People love the community. They love the Discord so much. People just really rock with it. They love the energy. They love being there. They love being around everybody. And everybody truly, truly, truly does, feel supported. And something that you guys don't know is we have a ton of comedians in there. We be cracking up. All right. When the market ain't doing nothing and it's chopping around, we be having some real good conversations, some funny conversations. We be in that thing dying sometimes. I'm talking about real life tears be coming out of my eyes because it be so funny sometimes, right? So, real talk. I've been in Discord a month and it's been helpful. You won't regret it. I'm telling y'all won't regret it. Y'all will not regret it, man. He really want to see people win. She winning. Yeah. Ms. Reed, she made her money back. She joined yesterday. She made her money back today. She already in the green. She already in the profit. Right? Same. Coming up on a month for me, and it's been a game changer. I've already seen Natalie have $2,000 days already. Right? Like it's been crazy. Like people's really getting to real money over here. Grateful to have found your channel and you put me on IWM. Spy was too expensive. Looking to get into the Discord too. Let's go, Pixie Fulani. Listen, let's go. Come join the fam. You know what I'm saying? I put you on IWM. Let me come teach you how to trade IWM the real way. Right? Let me come teach you how to trade IWM the real way. So now that I put you on IWM, let me teach you how to trade it. There's a better way than what all of y'all know. That's what I want you guys to understand. There's a better way than you've been taught. And once you learn how to trade the strap method and you use IWM and order blocks and liquidity, it's like a glitch in the matrix. I'm telling you guys, I say this almost every day. I could be at the gym and I could call out a trade and it could go because I got the order blocks, the area liquidity, and I see the strap method on my chart. I could call out a trade in 20 seconds now. It don't take me long because I got a system. I got the formula, y'all. I'm just trying to share it with whoever wants it. I'm just trying to share the formula with whoever wants it. It took me years to get to a point where I could trade like this. I could go analyze and I could go call out something and it worked like that. It took me time, it took me pain, it took me lost money. I had to sacrifice tears, blood, sweat, stress, anxiety, nervousness, all of that. If you want to learn a better way to trade, come join the Prosperity Collective. Come learn how to master the strap method in IWM. You could go run up a crazy bag with IWM this year alone and nothing else. You could go buy a house off of IWM, y'all. I'm trying to tell you this. I'm telling you this for a reason, man. Right? I'm telling you this for a reason. Real tears. Yeah, and we be having tears, man. We be cracking up. Production crew, he said, how can I get in the Discord? Just click the link in the chat. I just put the link up in there. Production crew. All right. Oh, there we go, Trapeze. Hey, you won't regret it, bro. Be sure to go into the WAP, go take the course. All right, go watch the course, the curriculum. It's like a 9-hour course, and we're gonna add some more stuff. Come, be sure to be in the trading room tomorrow, and we're gonna get it popping. All right. I never traded IWM until I joined TPC. Still not my go-to, but I have made money, straight up. But Natalie, you such a boss and you such a savage. You be getting to the money regardless. You learn how to trade the strat. Now you doing your thing. You know what I'm saying? It is a glitch in the matrix. Hey, for sure, Daily Bread. I wish I had this 10 years ago. I feel you. I feel you, Ms. Reese. Hey, Leela, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Real talk. Right? I know how it is. I know most people gonna tell you they made all this money and they ain't gonna give you no real gain. I know. Right? But listen, the mission is bigger than gatekeeping and overcharging. Feel me? We don't gatekeep and overcharge. We give more than what we even get paid for. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all. The strat method and the pullback as Isaiah's disciplined approach is a steady payday. Hey, do y'all want steady money or do y'all want this? Which one you want? You want a steady go up or you want this right here? Which one you want? You know what I'm saying? Come on, y'all. I'm with you, bro, TPC. Yeah, we changing lives, Wise. You know what I'm saying? And the longer everybody is locked in, the bigger people's accounts gonna grow, and people just gonna be making more and more money every day, every month, every week. You know what I mean? So I can't thank you guys enough, right? I thank everybody for tapping in, tuning in. I thank everybody for watching these videos. Tomorrow, y'all, we got Wisdom Wednesday. All right. Be sure for Wisdom Wednesday, right? Make sure y'all tap in to my Wisdom Wednesday videos, right? Edakara, Eden Raka, I appreciate you taking the bumps and bruises to bring us the lessons. Nah, hey, that's what I'm here for, man, for real, right? Real talk, that's what I'm here for, right? Sometimes you gotta go through some stuff for other people. You know what I'm saying? I went through the fire so y'all can have an easier time in this trading journey, right? Hey, yeah, hey, hey, the Prosperity Collective is definitely like the clinic for traders. If you've been burned, then come over to the clinic and we're gonna get you your meds and we gonna get you right. All right, we're gonna get that STD up out of y'all. All right. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. I'm telling you, Ms. Reese, no. And look, she been in the Discord for a day and she's saying she see what it is. You know what I'm saying? Hey, now, Leela, you've been doing your thing ever since you came in the Discord. You consistently making your profits. That's all you got to do. The strat make the pullback and disciplined approach is the key. So much appreciated. For sure, Michael. I'm about to get off this live and get in bed. All right, Drew. Hey, you have a good one, bro. Hey, you already know, Doug. I appreciate it, Band Flipper. All right, real talk. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. All right. Hey, hey, y'all laugh. When y'all start laughing, y'all make me laugh. I'm going to just say that. When y'all start laughing, I start laughing. All right? Real talk. But yeah, man. All y'all have a great night. Like I always say it with me, y'all. Make sure you get up out your head and go get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? The more you study, the less you worry, y'all. All right? So, you said, so you go to WAP and then, yes, go to WAP, click this link in the comments. You pay. You will be prompted to go to the Discord and you'll have access to the Discord server. Inside of the WAP is also the course as well. Okay? So yes. All right. So let's make some money tomorrow, y'all. Let's do it peacefully. Let's not be stressed out. 1 to 3 trades max. One trade open per one position open at a time. All right. Let's get this money and let's smack the market tomorrow. All right. All of y'all, stay smooth, man. Peace.